Portland stone is very important to us. It has been for the last 100 years. When the cemeteries was first built, the headstones were first engraved. Portland was the main stone that was used. We have really changed our approach over the last 5 years, and that's one of the stories that we want to tell here, is how we're now conserving the headstones, we're conserving the stone. Around 5 or 6 years ago, our approach was one that if a headstone became degraded, instead of re-engraving it, we would simply replace it, and we were re-engraving around 22,000 headstones each year. We now re-engrave headstones in situ. What this has meant is that we've reduced the number of headstones produced here from 22,000 to around 4,000 a year. And at that number, Portland are able to supply us with the high quality of stone that we require for the cemeteries.